How to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android without cable. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats data from your iPhone to Android without a cable. First things first, let's understand this. Can you transfer? Well, if you log in as a companion device on your Android, you'll be able to view your chats. But what about all the backed up chats that you have on your account? Can you recover them? Well, unfortunately, without a data cable, it's not possible. The thing here is the data that you back up on your iOS device for WhatsApp is backed up on your iCloud. When you try to recover it on Android device, it will search for the backup on your Google account, which in this case will not be there as your data is backed up on your iCloud. Similarly, it's the vice versa when you try to log in from Android, transfer from Android to iOS. So you'll have to understand that it is not possible without the data cable. I'll make a separate video on how you can do so using data cable. It'll be particularly easy. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.